Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you ways on how you can make money merely by watching ads. Do you know that you can make money merely by watching ads online, and then the platforms on which you watch these ads will pay you money direct into your account? So that means you can make a lot of money just by sitting at home watching ads and making money. So the first thing you need to do is you need to stop watching ads. You need to stop watching ads. There's no platform that's going to pay you money merely by watching ads. So these platforms were created to make money for the owners of the platforms and for the content creators. So if you want to make money, stop watching ads, start creating content, post on social media networking platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Then you will make money from that. You can monetize your content. Or if not so, then please look for a job. Stop wasting your time watching ads, thinking that you'll be paid for watching ads. Look for a job, do business. Thank you very much.